Okay friends, today I'm going to do a really short, quick tip video on how to thread woolly nylon and other fancy sort of heavier threads through your serger if you have an overlocker that has the vacuum system. It's really hard to get those fuzzy little threads through that vacuum, but here's the trick. I learned this from someone else and I cannot find the original video anywhere or her name. I just was Googling it. She had like a 3-minute video on it. Mine's about that long too. And I wish I could find her name so I could give her credit, but if I ever do, I'll make sure and put it in the description of the comments so that you guys can go back and give her some gratitude for showing me. I believe it's called the cradle method. And we're gonna make a loop of thread, send it through our vacuum with the tail of our fancy thread. I'll show you how it's all done here now. Okay, I want to thread woolly nylon, but this machine has a vacuum, and in order to do that, I have a little trick that I learned from someone else. Got a long piece of regular thread here. I want to say it's almost a yard long, and I've doubled it over. I've engaged the vacuum, and I'm going to take the 2 cut ends, and I'm going to put them in whichever one I want the woolly nylon to be in. So for me, it's the blue. So I'm going to put the 2 cut ends in the blue. Let the vacuum take over. Hang on to that end so it doesn't suck it all the way through. I'm holding on to this end. And then the cut ends come out over here. I have a loop on this end. So I'm going to put the woolly nylon through the loop, and now I can pull this other side. I'm going to pull this side and make sure the woolly nylon's through there good. Okay, so here's my woolly nylon through the loop. I'm going to grab this side and pull, and out comes the woolly nylon. If you're interested in other quick tips, I have an entire playlist called Quick Tips and Notebook where you can find other short videos similar to this, and I will be adding more soon. So with you soon.